And it's now time for the business day. First Rock Real Estate Investments Limited faced a challenging 2024, reporting a total comprehensive loss of $9 million. That is 6.2 million more than the previous year, 6.2 million US. The decline was mainly due to unrealized fair value losses, foreign exchange losses, and reduced property valuations. Despite the setbacks, the company remains committed to its strategic shift towards becoming a full-fledged real estate investment trust. First Rock has been optimizing its asset portfolio by selling non-income generating properties and acquiring premium commercial assets across the Caribbean. The company is focusing on income generating properties with long-term leases, targeting cap rates of 10% or higher in US dollars. This transition is expected to be substantially completed by the third quarter of 2025, positioning First Rock for long-term growth and strong returns for stakeholders. The president of the Hotel and Tourist Association, Robin Russell, has joined the list of advocates demanding a reduction in interest rates. He was speaking at a Sagicor investment function in St. James recently.
When interest rates go down, people are more encouraged to borrow because they can afford to borrow. That has happened with us. We were looking at investing, and when interest rate really went up when we were trying to keep inflation down, we had to relook because the numbers didn't add up. So if the government's objective is growth, they should influence BOJ. I know it's a different entity now and they don't have that oversight as they used to. But just a word to the governor, if you want growth, interest rates have to come down.
CEO of Sagicor Investment, Tara Nunez, is urging Jamaicans to take advantage of investment opportunities, stressing that now is the time to invest to secure their financial future.
It takes guidance, and that's where Sagicor Investments comes in, because we have our advisors that are going to sit with our clients, talk to them, find out what they're really looking for, educate them as to what the different instruments in the market are, because it's not just a bank savings account. There are a lot of opportunities.
To the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 4,365 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 70 points. The 58 advancing stocks include G West Corporation, Proven Group, Jamaican Teas, Sterling Investments, and Supreme Ventures. 36 stocks declined, including Margaritaville Turks, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Epic Caribbean Property Fund, Pulse Investments, and Mayberry Group. 18 stocks traded firm. Foreign currency trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $158.36. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $110.40. The pound is going for $203.40, while the euro is selling for an average $172.63. And that's it for the Business Day. Regional and international stories are next.